When you're trying to come up with new advertising campaign ideas for your bathroom remodeling business, it can be very helpful to see what other bathroom remodelers are running in terms of campaigns. It's always been very easy to do that on Facebook with the Facebook ad library. I recorded a whole separate video on how to spy on your competitors' ads using that. But up until recently, it's been very difficult, near impossible to do that with YouTube ads. This has changed, and in this video I'm going to show you how to see what YouTube campaigns your competitors are running. So what you're going to do is, the first thing you want to do is you just want to put in your, let's say your competitor is Home Pride Bath. They're a bathroom remodeler here in Colorado. What you want to do is you want to find one of their regular Google ads, so a Google search ad. And that's going to be pretty easy because most bathroom remodelers are running search campaigns. Now, once you have an ad, what you're going to do is you're going to click on these little three dots and you're going to click See More Ads. Now, this is where the magic is. So boom, here we can now see all of the campaigns that Home Pride Bath is running, not just on Google search, but also on YouTube. And we can actually watch the entire video. So all you do is you just click it and then you click it again.
How often have you tripped and fallen because of using a bathtub like this?
And boom, you can see the entire ad. Now, what you can't do is you can't actually see the landing page, but for the most part, the creatives are the videos are the things that, or the elements that do the heavy lifting anyway. And what's really neat also is you can see the last shown date. And what this does is it basically lets you see which ads are working better. Because if we go down here, let's click on this ad, we can see,
see this?
So we'd have to watch it to the end to see like what the variation is, but we can see this was last shown March 13th. It's April 11th, whereas this ad was last shown April 11th. So in general, the longer a ad is running, the better it's performing. So if you were to take inspiration from certain videos, it makes sense to take inspiration from more recent videos. And what you can do is you can just, instead of looking at videos from any time, you can just click on videos from today, and that will give you an idea, or it'll tell you exactly what your competitor is running right now. And you can do this with any business. So it doesn't even have to be a competitor. In fact, it might be better if it's not a competitor, because if you have a local competitor and you just start running ads that, or you start running ads and those ads you took inspiration from ads that are already in your local marketplace, it's probably not going to work that well. So it makes sense to look at what YouTube ads are bathroom remodelers running around the country. So that's how it's done. I hope this was valuable. When I found out about this, I was super excited because this just allows me to see what others are running, and it just gives us ideas on things to test. So if you're a bathroom remodeler and you're interested in getting more leads so that you can turn them into appointments and ultimately sales, and you'd be open to have someone else run the ads for you, go ahead to remodelboom.com, schedule a free call, and we'll be able to tell you all about our offering and see how we can help you. All right, have a good one.